What's going on, guys? Chris here with C4 Armory. I'm here with Mike from B.O.S.S Suppressors. He's going to talk us through some new products he's got coming out. Mike, what do you have going on?
Well, Chris, thanks for having me on your channel. It's good to see you again.
Of course.
A couple of things we're really excited about. The first is our newest model. It's our Commander 9mm line, and we have a special version called the SWAT that's made for SMG platforms like the Zenith ZF5. And it is a great combination to your submachine guns, PCCs, 9mm ARs, things like that. What's special about it is our Baffle technology. We figured out a way to get kind of double up on the baffles. So there's only 9 here, but it acts like 18. 9mm usually likes a lot of baffles. That's why you see them long and skinny.
Yeah.
This one's only 5.5 inches long, and it performs like any other 8 or 9 inch 9mm cat on the market. So it's perfect for your really compact SMGs.
Right.
Very excited. Street price is $800. Stainless steel, titanium, full auto rated. Can't get it better than that.
Is this out on the website right now, or is it coming out?
It's on the website right now, available for ordering, and we're shipping in February. Actually, we're shipping now, but we're taking orders for the next batch in February.
Gotcha.
But our real big news, I'm going to put this down.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep. Our really big news is we have actually converted all of our manufacturing of silencer cores from our traditional machine baffles to fully 3D printed drop-in cores. And this solves so many problems for us and our customers where a traditional 3D printed can is limited if you have a baffle strike. A lot of them are not serviceable.
Right.
And then even if they are serviceable, they have to do some fairly invasive, processes to actually fix it, which take away the integrity of the strength of the can. So we didn't like that idea of 3D printing an entire silencer. So what we do is we take our standard drop-in baffle stack technology and we just 3D print it. This allows us to add in some cool new geometry that we couldn't do otherwise, but really it makes it much stronger. It's a little bit lighter. It's actually half an ounce lighter than our traditional baffles, but the service turnaround time is about 10 minutes. So if we have a baffle strike, customer has a baffle strike, sends it into us, we can take the core out and put in a new one inside of about 10 minutes.
That's amazing.
Whereas before it would take several days, and usually it was a lot more invasive and a lot more difficult, and it induced some manufacturing error. This is really, really hard to mess up. It just drops right into our tubes and it's good to go. So super excited about this. This is really going to change everything for us, and it's also going to increase our output. So our wait times are going to go to just a couple of days now.
And how soon are you going to start integrating that into the suppressors?
They're shipping already. All of our Chairman 30 caliber line and our Guillotine 5.56s are already shipping with this technology. In fact, this one has the new 3D printed core.
Oh, all right.
And then we will eventually be 3D printing the Commander SWATs, and all of our line is going to be 3D printed within the next couple of months.
Amazing.
Yeah.
All right. Mike, appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Good to see you, Chris.
Same.